Welcome guys, so today I am with the Audio-Technica headphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So first of all we have to turn on our device and you can check if it is actually working by tapping once on this button right here, on this middle button, and the indicator is located right here. So when you click on it once and the indicator is not activated, it means that the device is power off. So click and hold this button, and when the indicator is up, just remove this button, and as you can see right now it is blinking. So we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our device. Click to pair new device, select your Audio-Technica headphones, accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.